Every day, millions of health-conscious consumers take a dizzying array of vitamins, minerals, and dietary supplements. But how do we know what we're putting in our bodies matches what's actually written on the label?
Dietary supplements are regulated. They're regulated by FDA. They were empowered in 1994 under a law known as the SHEA, Dietary Supplement Health and Education Act. In that act, however, FDA was given the burden of proof to prove that dietary supplements were unsafe for consumers. They aren't actively testing at this point. That burden has been laid upon the manufacturer.
Over the past few years, there have been a number of reports, particularly from groups like ConsumerLab.com, who have tested supplements and found that a number of them don't meet label claims.
There are thousands of companies producing nutritional supplements worldwide, and millions of people trying to find out what sets these supplements apart. Recently, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration has instituted Good Manufacturing Practices, or GMPs, establishing requirements to ensure products are made in a consistent, quality manner, are free of impurities, and accurately labeled.
The new GMPs for consumers will benefit them in many ways. First, it provides a level playing field for the manufacturers. It provides a minimum standard of quality that we can all abide by. Second, it will also put the burden of proof on manufacturers now to have to prove and substantiate the quality of their product. Third, it begins to eliminate those manufacturers that have been in this marketplace that have been less than honorable.
To me as an athlete, knowing what's in the bottle and making sure that it matches the label is what's important. We're drug tested constantly, so having the trust in the product is what's important to us.
USANA Health Sciences voluntarily follows the pharmaceutical GMP model for its quality assurance program, meaning USANA supplements are treated with the same care that goes into manufacturing pharmaceutical products.
USANA has voluntarily ascribed to follow pharmaceutical GMP. The standard is much different than that applied to food. Our expectations for quality are completely different. Compare pizza versus penicillin. You don't have the same quality standard, therefore the standard that you apply for making that product is going to be different. We consider our products to be akin as drugs, not foods.
Because poor manufacturing can destroy great science, USANA manufactures most of its products in its own state-of-the-art facility.
Consistency in a product is obviously paramount for us. Consumers demand it. You have to have consistency in a product. Their expectations want it. Dr. Albert Einstein once said that the rule of insanity was based on repeating behavior, expecting a different outcome. I think we're all guilty of doing that in our lives. We can't have that. We have to have consistent behavior, so we put in consistent controls that are applied through the manufacturing process.
Every dietary supplement produced by USANA carries a potency guarantee which ensures that what is stated on the label is actually contained in the product. Some of USANA's foundation products, including Essentials, Proflavanol 90, and Health Pack 100, have been exhaustively tested by NSF International, an independent, non-profit public safety organization, and have been found to contain all ingredients at the labeled amounts.
I trust USANA. I trust the founder, Dr. Myron Wentz. I trust his vision. I trust where the products have come from. USANA is consistently ranked #1 in the comparative guide to nutritional supplements. There's an athlete guarantee. Athletes can put their careers on the line with USANA. Athletes trust USANA. I love the products and I love the company.
I have a daughter with cystic fibrosis, and I knew she needed to be on the finest nutritional products available. And prior to Dr. Wentz's products, USANA, I was using my daughter as a guinea pig. I would go to a health food store and I would just pick off shelves, anything anyone suggested. But I wasn't a scientist. I didn't understand how ingredients interact with each other. I didn't understand potency or purity or disintegration. So once I found the USANA products and learned about Dr. Wentz, I knew this was a scientist I could trust and a product I could trust, and the products have made a tremendous difference in my daughter's health.
USANA has been driven towards having an excellent standard. They want to lead the industry in this area. They've done it by having core critical values within their corporate structure. Integrity and ethics is very important. I've been with USANA now for over 11 years. Prior to that, I was with other companies, and everyone has a different expectation for quality. USANA, because they treat their products as being much akin to a drug, like penicillin, obviously then they have to have the ethics and drive to provide that to its customers.
USANA is steadfast in its mission to provide the highest quality nutritional products in the industry through a strong commitment to ongoing research, rigorous product testing for potency and purity, and superior manufacturing practices. This commitment to quality is distinctive in an industry that is known for producing products that are not pure, not safe, or simply ineffective.